Welcome to our tutorial on changing slide size in Google Slides. Whether you're preparing for print, widescreen displays, or custom layouts, understanding slide dimensions is crucial. In this video, we will walk you through the process step by step. 1. Open your presentation, log into your Google Slides account, open the presentation that contains the slides you want to resize. 2. Access Page Setup, click on File in the menu bar, choose Page Setup from the drop-down menu. 3. Select Slide Size, in the Page Setup window, you'll see preset options, Standard, for :3 suitable for printing or mobile devices, Widescreen, 16:9 default for widescreen displays, Widescreen, 16:10 another widescreen option. Custom, create your own size by entering width and height, inches, centimeters, points, or pixels. 4. Apply changes, click Apply to reflect the new slide size. Your slides will now match the selected dimensions. If this tutorial helped you, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips.